Hi friends, welcome on Yourpedia, and this video is related to something which is very innovative and something which is very new. If you want to increase the probability of your selection in top global universities, institutes, and you want to get fully funded programs. There are a couple of smart strategies, smart moves which actually help you to get selected and you get the funding for higher educational options in foreign universities, especially high rank universities. When you show something on your CV which is academic CV, professors get impressed with certain your software skills or academic software skills which are required in your profession. So there are a couple of courses which you should all, irrespective of branch of knowledge you are in, you should know, because research nowadays is using all these skills which I am mentioning and which I am telling you to acquire and reflect that on your CV. So if you mention on your CV that you have done some kind of certification course on Python, machine learning or neural network, these three are common things. AI, artificial intelligence, if I say, it may be more inclined for computer science people. Data science, if you are interested only in data science. But when I say Python, when I say machine learning, when I say neural network, if these things you are using in your project, or if you have knowledge of this and the professor is looking for some individual who is having knowledge of electrical engineering, at the same time Python or machine learning, then your probability of getting selected increases tremendously. Now suppose you have decided to join some global institute for PhD program, direct PhD program or MS program, and you are starting to mail the professor, or you are starting to apply in those universities, and you have no idea about it. At least you can start with some certification course. You can join some certification course. When there will be interview with the professors and they will have interview with you, they are not going to enter in detail about knowledge of Python or machine learning or neural network. No, they are not going to ask you in detail. But the moment you mention that, okay, I do work in this and I am working on this particular project, I am doing this certification course, that is sufficient. Professor will be rest assured that, okay, this student whom I am hiring has the knowledge of this. Only mechanical engineer without the knowledge of Python may not be of much help for the professor to work in a project. Every professor in global universities is working on one project or the other of industry, and to do that particular project, knowledge of these things is required. So if you have this knowledge, this certification knowledge along with your core branch knowledge, it is very helpful. So friends, if you want to increase the probability and if you want to get fully funded scholarships, then professors are looking for these knowledge in your CV, and if you reflect that thing in your CV, then it is very easy for you to get the opportunities. So my advice, just learn this, enroll yourself in some certification course, either they are free or they are at very less cost. You can always enroll yourself, and to have even more credibility, I think some IITs like IIT Madras and all, they keep on going for these kind of certification courses. You can always learn these courses. So doing a lot of projects, doing certification courses, learning these kind of skills is eventually going to make your CV very effective, and then obviously we will mail professor, will catch them on LinkedIn and will get the fully funded scholarships. I hope my point is clear to you. So try to do that, and if you have any kind of query, you can discuss with me how we can make use of these things to basically get into really good courses. Thank you.